dear student. Myself Umi Chauhan. I am here to take your today's computer lecture. We can start with our first lesson. Lesson name Introduction to Computer. In this first topic is what is computer. A computer is an electronic machine. हम सभी ने कंप्यूटर देखा भी है और यूज भी किया है. कंप्यूटर चलता किससे है? बाय यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. That's why a computer is an electronic machine which is made up of a device used for input, processing and storage and output. In this line they want to tell us that computer is a combination of various devices. Like we want to input something, we use in keyboard or mouse. When we want output using a computer provide output using printer or monitor. For store data, computer use CPU memory. So computer is a combination of various devices. Okay dear student? A computer processes the input data with the help of program to generate information as an output. A computer processes data. These all are data. If we want the output using a computer, we want to input something. In this example, we want a total number of this 3 student mark. We want to input this mark for getting output. Okay? In this, computer process on these 3 data and calculate and perform addition task to generate an output. Okay? Now we can move forward with the next topic, features of a computer. The word computer is derived from the word to compute. कंप्यूटर का यूज मेनली कैलकुलेशन के लिए होता था. That's why computer word is derived from the word to compute. To compute means to calculate something or perform a calculation based task. That's why it's named as an computer. Okay? Which means to calculate. Initially computers were used only to perform a big and complex calculation. But today a computer is used to read, write, draw and perform many other functions. पहले कंप्यूटर सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन के लिए होता था. कंप्यूटर का यूज कैलकुलेशन के लिए होता था. But nowadays we can use computer for a read. If you want to read some documents and articles using a computer, we can. We want to write something in a computer or want to store other data like a pictures, and we want to watch a movie, listen a music by using computer, we can. So nowadays computer used to perform some many other tasks or user defined tasks. Okay dear student? With the help of computer, we can perform a complex calculation very quickly and accurately. A computer can store and recall a large amount of data. कंप्यूटर की मदद से और कंप्यूटर के यूज से हम कॉम्प्लेक्स और हार्ड कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. Like this example. In this, we have only 3 student marks. But in school, there was a number of students and they want to calculate their all students' mark. The list of or number of students are greater than this. That's why it is hard to perform. That calculation is hard to perform. But using computer, it is easy to perform any calculation or you want to perform any kind of hard calculation, you can by using computer. Okay? In features of computer, there are mainly 6 features of a computer. In this, first one is speed. We can learn a computer has a fantastic speed of processing any task. It can perform even the most complex calculation very quickly. As I say, it is used to perform complex calculation very quickly and give us result in a fraction of second or in a second. A computer has a fantastic speed of performing any task. It can perform even the most complex calculation very quickly and accurately. For example, if you are asked to multiply 125 by 7, you will need a few minutes to give the answer, and that answer could even be wrong. If we want to perform a calculation like 125 multiplied by 7, we can manually check the calculation and it takes a time like 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 40, 7 is a 7, 1 plus 1. In this process, we have time to perform this task. But using computer, you can get result or an output in just a second. And sometimes our calculation may be wrong. But in this, computer does not give any wrong output or does not make mistake. Sometimes we make mistake, but computer does not. Second feature, tirelessness. A computer never gets tired or bored. It can do the same work repeatedly for a very long time. It can work continuously without getting tired. Sometimes मम्मी हमें कुछ लेने के लिए भेजती है, बेटा ये ले आ, और देन उसके बाद दूसरी बार भेजती है, तीसरी बार भेजती है, हमको ये बार बार जाना, हाँ, और तीसरी बार जब भेजेगी हमको मम्मी, तो हम मम्मी को बोलेंगे नहीं मम्मी अब मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. कंप्यूटर डज नॉट डू दिस. It will continuously work. It will use to work 24/7. उसे आप 24 घंटे अगर चालू रखेंगे तो भी वो वैसे ही चलेगा जैसे कि पहले चलता था. And always give a accurate result. Or without getting bored, it will work. Okay, dear student. Then we can move forward with the third feature, accuracy. A computer can work continuously without making any mistake. As I told, computer does not make mistake. It has a predefined program or for calculation. It has a predefined program to calculate any complex calculation and give us always accurate result. A computer makes mistake only if wrong data or instruction are entered. If wrong data or instruction are entered by a user, in that case only computer give us a wrong output or wrong result. Thus, we can say that accuracy and reliability are the most important feature of a computer. We can trust on the computer result and it will always accurate. Okay, dear student. Now we can move forward with the fourth feature, name is repetitiveness. When you do the same work repeatedly, as I told, repeatedly for a long time, you not only get bored and tired, but also your speed of doing the work reduce gradually. अगर आप बार बार एक और एक काम परफॉर्म किया करेंगे तो आप थक जाएंगे. You cannot work continuously at the same work. You feel like I am tired and I am bored with this work. But in the computer case, computer does not get bored and tired and work with a same speed. It will work with a same speed. And its speed does not reduce. But a computer can continuously do a repetitive work the same speed and accuracy, and it will work with the same speed and accuracy, always provide an accurate result. Okay. Storage. Now, fifth features of computer is storage. A computer can store a large amount of information. This information could be text or even in a picture. We can store a large amount of data. We can store any kind of data and large amount of data by using computer. In a computer we can store a large amount of data. If we want to store a number of pictures, number of videos, number of audios, by using computer we can. It can store thousands of pages of data. You can retrieve this data whenever you need it. अगर आपने महीने पहले या हफ्ते पहले कोई पिक्चर, आपकी फोटोज कंप्यूटर में स्टोर की है, तो आप महीने बाद और whenever you require and whenever you want to see that data or picture or video, movie clips और म्यूजिक आप फिर से देखना चाहते हो, सुनना चाहते हो, you can get that. Whenever you student require any kind of data or any kind of picture or any kind of document, whenever you require, it is give you by using you can get that data or information or audio or video, anything you get which you stored in a computer in any time. Now we can move forward with the features. Last features, versatility. As you already know, a computer is used in a school, office, bank, airport, railway station, hospital and many other fields. We all can see nowadays all fields use computer. We all can see whenever we go for a book a ticket or whenever we go for in a school for take a medicine, we go in a hospital or in a medical store. Each and every field use computer for store their data and information and for their work easy and perform tasks in an easy way. They use computer. So a computer is very versatile and they can store any kind of data and use in multiple and almost each and every field computer is used. Now I am finished here my lecture, and thank you dear students for listening me carefully. And if you students have any doubt or query related to this topic, or frankly. Okay,